The issues for this one consisted of the fact that it was just very, very old, over 100 years. It had nicks, it had scratches on it, all over it. There were areas that latex paint had been put over oil paint and manipulated time and time again. And there were honestly just crumbs all over it because this was a kitchen table.
You get your history lesson now. This kitchen table is the kitchen table that my granddad bought when he moved to Canada, waiting for his wife and my mom and
Cool.
And now I'm destroying it.
No, you're not.
I know. I just.
So, okay, so what are you doing with the table? Are you finished?
Sarah's one of the artists. Quartz, the other artist.
Okay, yes.
So I'm a long way away.
Okay.
So Sarah decided that this would be a good premieres project. So when somebody says I'm going to do this, I said, well, have you tried?
Yeah. See ya.
Right now I'm sanding it down because my dad likes to put his elbows on the table and it like did something to the paint. It was a whole thing and it's just an old table.
So latex on top of oil.
I think it's latex paint on top of oil. Yeah. It starts to like deteriorate. And so it started to have little like scrunches right here. Like you could see where the paint had been like pushed.
Yeah, like
That's
this.
pretty cool.
Like this.
Like you can see there's texture here and it's weird.
Yeah, so you're trying to get it right back to the
I'm seeing, because I don't know how much paint is under here. I think it's just the two different types. Because it looked like there was a white on top and then it looked like maybe like a yellow or like
Yeah, that would have been my grandmother painting it yellow. It sat in her sunroom with the plants on it.
As you can probably gather by now, I'm using a electric sander to go over the entire table, except for in the littlest crevices. I'm going to be using just one page of sandpaper folded in half to go in there because the sander won't reach in there.
Oh my god, it looks beautiful.
Well, I mean, it looks ugly, but beautiful.
No, I think it looks beautiful. But don't you think it looks interesting just like that?
Yeah, I kind of like it. I think it looks, I don't know if this is the right word, but rustic almost.
Well, yeah, because, I mean, I don't know what this is, if it's paint or not, or whether it's the wood.
I think it's the wood, because you can, as I'm going down it, I can kind of see more of the green here. Learning from past mistakes in the kitchen, I'm going down a little bit past the wood, so when I put the epoxy paint on it, it'll still be able to go up and down, and we won't have trouble. It is day 2. Can someone tell me how it's significantly warmer without the sun out than it was yesterday with the sun out? So at first, I thought that there was 2 layers of paint, the white and the yellow and then the wood. But now I'm coming to see that there is a third. Why is there a green? What is going on? Don't laugh at me.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is that smooth?
Yeah, that's.
Oh, it's smooth?
Oh, yeah.
But I'm like, I'm touching it, I'm like, oh, fuck. Like, feel my fingertips. I can't.
Very cool.
Raja,
Yeah.
can you give me a hand?
Good work. Nice. Great stuff. Awesome. Good work, honey. Oh.
Yeah.
No. Come on, Dusty. You can do it.